Our first responders have a difficult job, and to be honest with you, not a lot of companies honor them, but not here. We are showing our appreciation to all first responders by offering them a 10% discount on any items that they ship with us. This is not a one-off offer, this is a permanent 10% discount. So, who are first responders? Police, JDF, soldiers, firefighters, doctors, nurses, and warders. Yes, we know all warders are often overlooked, but yes, they are going to qualify for a 10% permanent discount. How do you qualify? Simply upload your work ID, check back our site in 24 hours, and you'll see that your profile is updated to a first responder, and you will get your automatic 10% discount. So please, go ahead. If you know any first responder, or if you are a first responder, go ahead and sign up. If you know of a first responder, share this video with them and ensure that they get their 10% discount. We just want to say we love you and we appreciate you, and we salute the good work you're doing. Keep it up and keep Jamaica blessed.